AGTEK Tech Tip: calculating the surface area of a retaining wall. Retaining walls are a common feature on many site work projects, and there may be times when it's required to calculate the area of the vertical face of the wall. To do this, you must first enter the retaining wall by entering a data line for both the top and bottom of the wall. You may use an offset line or manually trace the top and bottom of wall. After the retaining wall has been entered, we will need to enter a line that encompasses both the top and bottom of the wall. One method is to use an annotation line. Change the layer to Annotation. Click the Entry Mode button. Line snap the annotation to one of the lines. Connect to the adjacent wall line and snap to the line. Return to the starting point and make sure to snap back to the first point to enclose an area. Then return to Edit mode. Select the annotation line and click the Length Area button on the toolbar. Click Calc Slope Area. Check Include All and click OK. The slope area will include the area of the vertical face. The horizontal area may be deducted from the slope area to adjust the area of the vertical face.